So we're in the new world of property developing, hey? And there's a bucket load of money to be made. You can make it, but just know that things have changed. Spiking inflation, rising interest rates, daily construction cost increases, to name a few.
Where this environment is heading will require the right kind of education and learning. To survive and thrive, you will have to gain new knowledge and be surrounded by the right kind of people.
And you can do that on the 8th of October in Brisbane, the 15th of October in Sydney, and the 22nd of October in Melbourne. Hilary and I will be presenting Finance Unpacked, and we want you to join us.
For the price of a pizza, this event is perfect if you're wanting to stay ahead in your property development game and you'll upskill on your finance knowledge, investing and joint venture knowledge, and be surrounded by a room full of people who are all striving to be at the top of their game.
And I'll tell you now, you won't be running to the back of the room with your credit card. It's a space for you to enjoy a cold drink or a hot coffee, together with like-minded property lovers in your state.
And if you'd like to join us, click the button below and find out more.